here at the Francis C. Carter Preserve here in Charlestown, Rhode Island. And today we are flying drones over the preserve to capture imagery that will hopefully help us to identify if there is anything happening regarding an outbreak of pine beetle in the area. Pine beetles have been detected in traps throughout the area here. The URI Biocontrol Lab has been setting these traps over a number of years. And this is the second year that we've flown drones, and we actually have two different types of cameras, sensors that are mounted on the drones that we're flying. One drone, which you might hear in the background, is a fixed wing, vertical takeoff and landing. It enhances our ability to be able to look at the vegetation here on the landscape. Specifically, we're looking at the pine barren area here, which is predominantly pitch pine. There's also some white pine mixed in. And it does quite a good job. Last year, looking over the imagery, we did not see any evidence of widespread outbreaks, but this is something that we're coming back this year to try to see if there are any changes since the imagery that we had flown last year. The drone that we're also flying here it's a DJI quadcopter drone, and it's a professional drone. It has equipped on it a LiDAR sensor, and the LiDAR sensor, LiDAR stands for light detection and ranging. And what that does is it gives us a very accurate elevation surface of the landscape. And so looking at the characteristics of the vegetation along with the topography really gives us a good idea of what we have here as far as a habitat.